Hello everyone, Jem Francisco here, also known as Jem888, one of the active contributor sa Investa since 2015. I'm inviting everyone to join me, Berrio and Joko, sa napaka-interesting na live charting session which will cover both local and international market. Pag-uusapan natin yung mga latest na kaganapan, latest na mga news and events sa merkado, at pag-uusapan natin especially kung ano yung mga interesting na trading opportunities at kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari during the middle of the year. Talaga namang dapat natin i-look forward, particularly sa US stock market kapag nagkaroon na ng another major correction at kung ano pa man ang pwedeng mangyari sa cryptocurrency during the halving season. So please don't miss it. Talaga namang napaka-interesting ng ating pag-uusapan. So kita-kits everyone. See you!